These lotions are meant to brighten up your skin, glow your skin, radiate your skin, and even your skin. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. If you're new and you're watching me, you're welcome. And if you are a returnee, thank you for coming back to watch my video. And if you know that you have not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button if you find this video enjoyable at the end. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys best lotions for fair skin that I can recommend to anyone who wants to brighten and glow their fair skin. Many people out there want to glow their fair skin, so some are using the right product for the wrong skin and some are using the wrong product for the right skin. Yes, but in this video I'm going to solve your problem. I'm going to tell you best lotions for fair skin that will not bleach you but instead will brighten up your skin and will make you glowy and radiant. So are you ready? So the first lotion I will be mentioning is our Nivea Extract Whitening Cell Repair Body Lotion. Yes, because it helps to repair damaged or overly exposed skin, and also it makes any skin that looks dull become brighter and better with time. It tends to eradicate dark spots, acne, and makes your skin look glowy and radiant. So if you want a healthy skin, if you want a glow skin, if you want to flex your skin and you want it to be bright, I'll suggest you go for the Nivea Extract Whitening Cell Repair Body Lotion. It's trustworthy, yes. So the number 2 is Dove Cream for Fair Skin. Yes, we all know that Dove has different subdues. Yes, they have different creams for either dark and if you want to brighten your skin. So you need to go for Dove, for the Dove lotion that brightens the skin. Why I suggest Dove is that it's good for dry skin. So if you're having a problem with dry skin and you feel like, okay, I want my skin to become soft like that of a newborn baby, then you can go for the Dove. And also it helps in moisturizing your body for up to 24 hours. And also it contains tiny particles that lighten up your skin and make your skin to glow. It's like it causes no irritation to the skin, so don't be afraid of using the Dove cream or the Dove body lotion. Don't be afraid. Number 3 is the Vaseline Daily Brightening Lotion. Yes, Vaseline also has varieties. We have a one for chocolate or brown skin or dark skin. We also have the ones that lightens and brightens the skin for those who are fair in complexion. So I'll suggest you go for the Vaseline, like the Daily Brightening Vaseline Lotion. It restores a damaged skin. So if your skin is damaged, you can use the Vaseline to restore back your skin. And also it glows your skin within 2 weeks of you using it. It makes your skin become so bright that you will love it when you see it. So my number 4 is my favorite. Like, I love using this number 4, which is the Extract Whitening Lotion. Yes, I did talk about the Extract Whitening soap in my previous video. So if you have not watched it, please do go back to my video and see what that soap does to the skin. I love using the lotion very well because it gives my skin a uniform complexion. What do I mean by uniform complexion? If your skin, maybe let's say your face is actually looking brighter than your back, your skin is not in a uniform complexion. But with the help of Extract Whitening Lotion, it makes your skin to become in a uniform way. Yes, the way your face looks will be how your back will be. So I love using it, and also it's easily affordable. So just go to any cosmetic shop or let's say any mall and get yourself this lotion. The number 5 is the Fair and White Body Lotion. Fair and White Body Lotion. It lightens your skin. This Fair and White body lotion, what it does is that it lightens your skin, and it tends to remove dark spots from your face and keeps your skin hydrating, and also it moisturizes your skin. So if you want to go for the Fair and White, I'll suggest you go for that. Any of these creams that I've mentioned is very, very much okay. So you can just select for yourself the one you feel like okay, you can afford, you're comfortable with, and get one for yourself. So our number 6 is the Only White Radiant UV Whitening Lotion SPF 19. Yes, this lotion leaves a refreshing fragrance on your skin once you apply it, and it moisturizes your skin. Yes, it does moisturize your skin very well. It's easily affordable, it's less expensive, and it evens your skin. It makes your skin to be glowy and shiny. So guys, these are the lotions that I find best for me, for my own recommendation. These are the lotions that I'll suggest for anyone who wants to brighten his or her skin. Should go for these lotions. Easily affordable, less expensive. So guys, if you want to see more of my videos, please do give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I'll post a video.